Still Naija FM 102.7 and you position put live and direct. My name is Timaya Bob MC R&B. Right now, I not only the fear excited, but I did very, very, very privileged to be among a living legend, whether I like or not, because somebody when it don't start, I think if I calculate from 2005, when it started to the very active for the music industry, Waka Courage now, that's almost 20 years. Or more just claim as in 20 years for the industry. And somehow, I think he deserves to be called a legend. I get the one and only. I don't know even I remember this record. The kid, okay, I don't know if I be talking on edge right now because that song was one of the major reason why we sabi this name, because that song now like a true life story when it shaped the music industry. But that should be like 2006, 2007 if I did correct. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I get the one and only Egberi Papa, one of Bayelsa right now. Bayelsa first son. Okay. Don't come if you're not happy for that one. But then
don't come in Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt first son. So Bayelsa first son, the only man when Sabi.
Only Timaya.
Only Timaya.
Not anybody's first son.
Nobody fit come after that. I know. Before that.
Anybody, people will always come.
They go always come after that.
It's life. No?
But bros, welcome. First of all, I just want to know how come you don't fit stay relevant from 2005? Because I know say your album, I don't know, True Life Story, right?
Yeah. Was
released 2007, if I did correct.
No, 2005. I saw it 2005. But
I love that time. Hold on. What you mean you sold it 2005? I mean, if you just give us a breakdown for those gens, even they don't know how the music industry be at that year.
From one part to one part, you want that?
Okay, because I know say official release now the day where everybody see the album right now. But at that time, in 2007, we buy the album. If I remember. 2006, right? No, now 2007 me buy them because I gather money.
Where you grew up?
Now Benin.
Benin and Port Harcourt no fun now.
But before music will reach our side,
Are you serious?
I remember that green design cover that time with your heart when you.
I know where I to.
No, where I.
Now the same picture just display three places. Now God the Father, the Son, and the
Holy Spirit. So what you mean you said the album 2005? Abi, how it happened that time?
I go Alaba market. Go for marketer.
Okay.
So at that point, I don't see marketer. I now started to promote singles from
the album.
I never even get the album
at that time.
Yes, ready. But just to look for marketer because I don't record plenty songs now. You know, now hustle now.
Yeah.
So when I they promote the Timaya and the Mama.
Yeah, they go.
Yeah. So the song on the big. Now one guy where they sell CD for roadside.
Yeah.
Then come tell me say Baba, I get one of my brother where they sell music for Lagos. So
yeah.
I beg leave all these people. So that time the guy now he market them. He market all them Sky B.
Yeah, one baby
guys. So me, I don't really want because I be backup singer that time for Eedris. For Lagos.
Yes.
So I don't already dey Lagos. I don't just want something for just Port Harcourt.
Yeah.
So when I come the Lagos, come see the guy. From there, me and the guy can't talk. The guy told me say he go buy the album for 500,000 naira.
I mean, the track for that time. Can you know that they do reach like 15 track?
I know if you remember, make I no lie.
500K.
Yes, now.
And it give you? Of
course, cash.
Now he's carried the album.
But me, I carry money from there, go do piracy inside the album for the market there.
Hold on. Hold on. You pirate your own album? Yeah.
With other bigger
people,
bigger marketers with the inside Alaba, because I know say the guy they concentrated on just east. Which is Port Harcourt and all that. So me, I wanted to get the line for Alaba when are big boys. They all them Abu Ventures that time. Joe.
Well, if you try that thing that time, they go arrest. This time they go arrest you now.
No, but it help the album. That's what helped the album.
Yeah.
You understand? The guy don't even understand why I blow like that. I just God help me, and because I just carry like the Timaya and Ogologo man some kind of songs. Just go the next line for the market.
Marketers that you give them.
Pay guys for those songs today for inside their compilation.
Okay.
So inside the compilation, the songs blow. Then the album never still come out. The marketer they take time. In the wonder what thing happen before you know as album come out everywhere.
Scatter. But you ever pay additional money because that album was uploaded that year?
He bought me a car.
Oh, wait, now it be the Toyota Spider, right?
He bought me a Rover.
A Rover at that time. Wow. So I'm okay. If you calculate the equivalent of that Rover right now, like heavy money at the end of the day.
How many artists did they pay 500,000
at that time?
For that album?
At that time.
I'll try to say low.
And from 2005, Waka Courage now, you don't drop nothing less than, if my calculation is correct, I think close to 9 body of work, right? Or 10, sir.
No, you never reached.
You never reached. Like how many?
I think 6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7. Very, 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 very low. But I have a lot of like singles.
When you don't
hit songs.
Song when you don't already.
When you don't come out.
Don't come outside.
And I did a lot of collaborations. So, okay. But you know when you say body of work, an album, right?
Album, full
exactly.
album, yeah. But for you, I really like waiting be the secrets when you don't make Timaya did this relevance work. Because at the same time, I think you'll be one of those, maybe like Eedris, Abdulkareem, Fet. You'll be one of those when nobody normally look for a trouble. Maybe because you grow, because Eedris now one guy when they go say, oh, not look for a trouble, he go give you wahala.
I need to talk like Eedris now. I need to behave like
no, not necessarily. Like people, you get that fear. Man, I don't want to use the word respect.
Nobody they fear him.
But nobody look for your trouble for in the industry.
Nobody they fear Eedris.
Nobody they fear Eedris.
Yes, sir. Yes, now because he's talking too much. You know.
Okay, off late. You talk about
right
late.
From time, bro. Me, no, I don't even want to make anybody fear me. I respect myself, so people go respect me.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's the word.
I don't hear conversation like not look for Timaya trouble, because if you look for her, you will get her.
No, I don't find anybody trouble. I'm just a happy guy.
But talking about Eedris, when I never see everywhere good shall between you and Eedris.
Me and him never get any problem. It was just a relationship of a person who I've been work with,
yeah.
And I just learned the things I needed to learn
at that time.
I just move on. That's it. I don't even think he knows my name or whatever. I just still
time.
Yes, I just still give him this shout out because it's
enjoy your story.
Yeah, that's it.
So even till now, so I know they conversate or
you don't have any reason to. At that time, he didn't have any reason to. You know, when people, let me tell you something, right? When you work for people or people work with you,
yeah,
don't act like you're tolerating them. Treat them like family, because you can need them.
You don't know tomorrow, yeah.
You understand? So those people on top at that time, those were the major problems.
So
artists, the artists they would stay for backyard. You know go even fit.
So
them right.
I want to get something right, bro. Sorry to cut you short. So you try to say at that time when you did with Eedris, you and the rest of the guys when you did with Eedris, because at that time he was one of the biggest stars in Nigeria. When I know they were treated. Now why the relationship not day between you and her right now?
Not even really that. We don't get relationship before.
Okay, because the way the treat to now.
He treated us like the way he did. Like he's the boss, you know. But you know, the boss must look out for him people. I'm not. Everybody gets a different approach to things, though. Are you getting me? But at that time, there was no rapport. Me, I just go there as a learner to go learn 1 or 2.
How long you spend with him? Because we need to go on a break. How long you spend with him sharply?
Like a year or 2.
A year or 2, and this one will be like a 2002, 2003, or when?
I can't remember.
Oh, okay. Anyway, we see get Gbedi Papa, one of buyers for the bidding right now. We need to break. Probably Lord want bring you Tinkily News. After the Tinkily News, we come back to this conversation because we get a lot to discuss. There's a new banger by Timaya, which don't they out already right now. It's a December banger. I feel confirm that one give you. So not go anywhere. We come back. Still Naija FM 102.7. So first of all, Timaya get new song out right now for the December group.
Better talk.
Yes,
you could leave down that talk.
I know to say your countenance just shared when you hear that name though. But
no, not the name.
Okay, not the name.
That's not why I'm here.
I know. This is the reason why we're here right now.
Not even that to reach out to my fans.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes we did it far away from them.
No, not be lie. But for person when you go so spend, let's say that's 20 years this year. If you want to look at, you get you deserve to really communicate with your fans. I'm not sure say you don't do any Timaya concert for Lagos. I doubt, because I know say they do something for Bayelsa for the last 2 years now. Another one they come up for 1st of January.
Every 1st of January.
Every 1st of January. Another one they come the 3rd 3.0.
Yeah.
For Lie Stadium, right?
Santi
Stadium.
Yeah.
And that's that's almost like 31 days from now, right now, where they carry your guys and the G's go.
It's a crazy time every time they come out there.
Yeah, it always. I think I see clips of the last one. That's early this year, the one when you do it was mad and crazy. Yeah. All your G's wanna group there.
This time it's going to turn up 2 times.
You go heavy, right?
Now
okay, we'll go talk about that one. But right now, you get a new single out right now. Mashe, right? Mashe. What be the idea behind Mashe?
You know me, I be Potako boy. Everything when I want to talk, first of all in my mind, I go first prophesy. I say, man, I go do it.
Okay.
Everything I want to do, I must do it. So when I prophesy like that, I really do it.
You go become reality.
Exactly.
Okay.
So anything I want to do, Mashe.
Mashe. I thought when this whole idea of this song they come about though.
This song was written by Young Alpha.
For a legend to they give credit to somebody when write song, that means so. But music industry they go front there.
Of course.
Yeah. So because some people go show Timaya, the last person write song for her.
A lot of them do. They don't just want to say it. They are not really.
Like at what point people start to write song for you?
At this point,
because I know say it not get hard those songs when you sing.
They don't
contribute.
Contribute like I co-write.
Yeah.
I got my own. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But at this point and at some point you go realize say I go accept to collect from
people fully.
You understand? Because old ways can't just open new doors.
Old ways can't just open new doors. Jot that thing down. Jot that down. Quoted Timaya. So now recently you start to accept. So this particular song now they fully written by Young.
Of course.
Alpha. Young Alpha named it. Yeah, they sound very familiar.
I do the one with Davido and Chris Brown, still written by him.
Oh, okay. So he just needs to do now to just vibe on top the beat and the rest then.
It's fire.
Then who be the producer behind this particular record? Same Young Alpha.
Yeah.
Oh boy, people the verse now, not be Joko. Anyway, so I know.
And the Young Alpha guy has lived with me in
Abikes,
my other house in Lekki when I was in Abikes in those days.
Yeah.
When I had the Patoranking and
Runtime, Wizzy Pro and the rest.
So he did. I like the way he produced that song at that time.
And even tonight I see there with you.
No, a bad guy on your own.
So for somebody like Young Alpha to still there with you, that's so clearly talk say maybe not correct guy. Because I know some people when they start with you, like most of them don't. Because I remember when we signed one of our boy for do that year, Attitude. Currently at Fire right now. It was the Mama. I think at that time they set up the Mama record, had Wizzy Pro, had Patoranking before he break out. I remember it was a big deal for us for being that year. One of our boys Timaya don't sign up.
I go save now and bring Attitude come with me.
Yeah, I know the story. I know the story.
Was, I think 16 years old.
Yeah, very young at that time.
16 or 15.
Yeah, I think very young. He did very young practically that time.
But funny enough, I'm cool with all my people.
Okay, I want to ask, Timaya don't ever fully sign an artist for a record label? I mean, not just Naija based on help you they give them, you they extend to them.
Most times now, based on help, just give back because they give me back a lot too.
In what way you mean?
Their energy, their ideas. Now when we look and say, okay, we need to appreciate these people. Say, okay, we go get split and all that.
Okay.
But if you dey inside studio with somebody they make song and the person give you one or two ideas, you got to give them back. So in my own way, I could just say, okay, me, I already be star.
Yeah.
So how can I help this person because this person gets something to offer?
Not to put them on. So at any point, you not do any signing with Patoranking, then Wizzy Pro.
No.
But why? Is there a reason for that? As an egbon, as an egbon.
King Perry. Yeah.
Oh yes, King Perry now of late now. Yeah. Because as an egbon, people don't expect as you don't stay, you suppose don't also help some people grow fully and the rest.
Most times, everything that has to do with creativity, if you think I'm monetary, the creative process will die. You
go die. Because a lot of funds need to go into to bring those creative process come live.
So a lot of times, nobody to actually make anything from the artist.
Okay.
To make sure, say, okay, this person. A lot of them, lived with me. Everybody. You understand?
Yeah, Fino still did very good.
All of them till now, me and Pato still young. Cool. A lot of them, all of them. So I will never be that guy who will say, okay, I will see people with me and them don't date. We can have our own differences, but we must understand, say, where we come from. We don't date together, so we must talk about. Yeah.
Okay.
A different situation.
I see. Anyway, so a new song they are right now. We need to let the people get a feel of that new song because Timaya dropped a new song today, and that song right now you don't hear how the inspiration written and produced by Young Alpha, one of the best producers. When Timaya don't ever work with, even till now, that's probably if you trace them back to when I do that record, that was almost like 10 years ago. Yeah. I mean, you don't reach 10. More than 10 years. Yeah, more than 10 years already.
Huh? I like the way.
You go down return.
Him and Killer Tunes.
So now they also run that yeah, not be lie. Now I don't settle that go calculate your album at 9. One EP journal now 8 album, 1 EP. Papi Shulo was an extended play. That's an EP, right?
Okay.
I mean, not consider one as body of work.
Okay, I didn't see like that.
Yeah, you don't see because I say 7 album. No, Timaya when they sing.
Maybe I know the count song.
Yeah.
I know the regard song.
Because times, true story, they Gift and Grace, the Rebirth.
No, those ones now album.
Now album. Then Long Life and Prosperity. That's an album too, if you want to consider.
I beg no be album.
Yeah.
That one would they wish me and my Mama Soldier Boys Long Life and
Prosperity. Yeah, I remember. The Upgrade Uko is an album now.
Upgrade, that's an album.
Yes, now. The Epiphany. That's an album.
Epiphany is an album. Massive.
My brother, you don't forget your album.
Massive.
Then Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Album, right? But then of recent, you give us a Gladiator, which is earlier this year, though.
Still an album.
Though.
That's not my best. I must be honest.
Okay, I get. In fact, I think for all the stress we don't pass through this year, we need to do anything we like.
Exactly, your brother.
We need to spoil everywhere. I beg. I don't.
For all the stress for the whole year.
You know what I don't see, bros. Our man not be top, but we need to do anyhow.
I swear.
No, this song now approval to do anyhow this year. Show what the song self misbehave. But don't let her end you for police cell. I beg. Get limitation to run. That are the latest jam right now for Papi Chulo. Go check her out. They are available on top of streaming platform. Ready as of now. I believe so, right?
Yes.
All streaming platform.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just want to know what will be the whole creation process for you, like for making music. Which vibe you like day on top before you make sound?
It depends on how I feel.
Yeah.
You understand? The time where I sing, I can't
keep myself. Yeah.
I was on my own zones.
So
this machine now, I'm in a happy place.
Yeah, I think that I can't keep myself. Not be during that time when those young boys introduce you to those arrangements.
That one don't pass.
But you're not there again, Sha.
Oh hell, I'm too grown for that.
Yeah, I know. You know, sometimes you can never be too grown because of all these boys. They'll your pressure
I
you.
I really put them out there now to help a lot of people. Though.
Made it open the eye, and I think it did.
Yeah.
Because somebody go back to Timaya, they influenced by young boys. But guess what? If work by yourself, more big, fast, then they influence them.
You know, say some girls know when they do a show now, never believe say they go fit do a show. Association now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't go know if you don't start to do them.
Yeah, before you even start self, not be lie. But anyway, so right now, any plans? I know say you just drop up on Girls. This now almost like starting afresh. Probably anything when they talk about that now, what's next for Timaya? Apart from the concert when they do yearly for Bayelsa and this year na San Cecilia Stadium on the 1st of January, what else would they expect? An album will come because you be like album person. Most guys when they blow for the early 2000, they be album person. Yes.
So these guys, no, na lie. These people now do album passes. So if you check this young boy,
na EP, 4 songs, 3 songs, 5 songs.
Don't for how many years? I get 9 albums. You get these guys. Some guys when they come out now, they don't drop album, drop EP, drop.
No, not album, only EP. They figure like 5 EP. They don't be that album type because they give us album we tire we not listening. Now time we they listen to album Timaya.
Now they create them saying an EP.
Okay,
and
before.
that then the only album we know.
Yeah, that's true. It's
a difference.
Not be lie. Now, based on someone when don't do the music industry, I know say you be close party to the Timaya and probably the rest.
Timaya.
Sorry, Burna Boy and the rest arrangement. Yeah. I want to ask, at any point you don't ever feel say, based on say I don't take for the music industry, why I never gained that recognition from the Grammy? Because it's almost like every Nigerian artist right now they more focus on Grammy arrangement.
I never think I will, because it go bother me. I don't want anything to bother me for this life. I know see as I wake up, even as I wake up, I just go my way and a blessing.
Yeah.
You know, where I am right now, I never even thought about it. Like, but I know say I could be great man.
Grammy or no Grammy.
You know, say at some point, Burna Boy, if they say give up, for no do way ending now.
Yeah,
I've seen situations now. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Did you get what I mean?
Yeah. At the time when he take his start on the rest arrangement. Okay.
But I've been nominated for a Grammy though.
Yeah. Of recent?
No, 2018.
2018 for real?
Yes.
But now your own record with that have been
Morgan Heritage.
Okay, Morgan Heritage. Okay, maybe now why we not really
too loud down
that time. Yeah.
So, but now some people, if they nominate them for Grammy, they go to shout them now. But I've been nominated before. So
but you know, but that they shout themselves.
No need.
Yeah, but what will be your take on top this whole international collaboration? International, I know say you don't do a couple in the past, then signing to big international deal and the rest. Cause I'm not sure say you don't even get such a deal with all this international label.
I've never been.
Why? Any reason they why Timaya never did?
No reason. I just say from time I don't always they do my thing my way. They independent. I have 100% of all my stuff. My catalog and all that.
So you not already share?
No, be not already share. When I get a good deal, I will.
so you at this time nobody don't approach Timaya say.
Of course they come now.
So it never be that good deal when you expect.
Yes, I'm not a bad market.
Because why they ask her? I get not be like. Why they ask her?
Some people go even come meet me say, please, can we take this 4 of your songs?
Yeah.
For like $500,000-$600,000. I'll say no.
But that's a whole lot of money.
Why?
Okay, for Timaya, do not.
Do you know how much I generate from each of those songs? Do you understand? I have deals like that. Do you understand? So for them to even come for it, there's something they're seeing.
Where they want tap from.
And I'm just building my catalog. I think if I don't sell them, I think it's meant for my kids.
That's if you not sell out.
Yeah, so even though I sell myself, I could still do something for them.
For the children. Yeah. How being a father don't be for you though? Can I say you get beautiful? Your daughter supposed to be how old now? Your first daughter?
My first daughter is 12.
12. Wow. Then the second one, right?
Second one is 9.
9.
My son is 6.
6. So soon.
Another of my daughter is 4. I have 4 kids.
4. Now 3 will know for public.
No, you know they follow up now.
That means I know the for.
I had a COVID baby like 2020.
He said COVID baby. During the lockdown, Abi. Yeah.
I gave birth to her in COVID.
So how being a father don't be for you? So
very actually good, but it's so stressful because you know you love them too much.
Yeah, but all of them they stay with you. I be the day.
No. They live with their mothers.
So how you continue to share yourself?
Because
I'm tasking job be that.
Whatever. No, that's how you say it now. It's enjoyable.
Okay, maybe from your own
because whenever I want to see my kids, I'll just tell their moms, say, please, can I see my children? Whenever I will go pick all of them, they come to my house. We spend 2-3 months together. They can go to school from when I'm less busy. Then they go back to your mothers.
To arrangement, yeah.
Christmas now, they go come, they go day with me.
Plus their mothers, all of them go come to house?
Hell no.
Okay.
Their mothers got boyfriends though. You know, they're in a relationship.
Oh, yeah. I don't know, bros. I just
tell you now. So nobody's that kind of relationship.
Okay. Yeah. You know, there's a time old fire will not take time to
that
burn.
Fire won't burn yet.
You're not born again
at all.
So it's gone.
We're family.
Yeah.
If you do them, you go spoil the relationship.
Not be lying. Okay.
You know, all those things no good inside when you're trying to build something that's forever. We're already good.
So just keep it that way. Do your thing and do my thing.
And respect will they give each other now, all of us.
But at any point, Timaya go ever say, in as much as you don't most don't get everything when a man need, say, may I just try this marriage arrangement?
I've never been a married guy.
Right from time.
Yes, sir.
And nothing will ever change our mindset.
But if you change, because marriage, Chris, me, I just even look and say, if I'm married to this, the guy disturb me, I feel get out.
Okay, not even the girl get out.
You know me. That all my relationship, I get out. Because I don't like stress at all.
Okay.
I don't even like if you get problem with me. Let's talk about it. I don't go to bed thinking about anything. I go die. I don't like anything to bother. Like my music, na me. I know they like nothing to bother me.
We
for
know
1 second.
Everything about your song, now almost like a reflection about Timaya.
Yeah. Like people they talk say this guy. I don't even know how much I get. Because if I go no say the money don't low, I feel go get high blood pressure.
But most Nigerians some certain records, all those blogs, they always classify you as one of the richest musicians. Yeah, richest, one of the richest musicians. I agree with such arrangement because. Which has a couple of years ago when you show us your house, which I think you don't move from right now, and say you did front of where you see Third Milan Bridge, like you did the water side now,
and a penthouse,
penthouse in the corner. Yeah. When you take move go there, now that was last year, right?
2 years.
2 years ago. So that one call you sell and be today.
I rented it out.
Oh, that fine house when you spend millions, they do. Yes. How much person go they pay for there now?
A lot.
A lot.
A lot of money.
So waiting. Timaya they put money into, like apart from music,
enjoying life.
No real estate talker.
No, wait till I put money on. Because my brother, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what I want to do if I don't enjoy this life.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how they make the money. Every day I don't chase money. I just do the things that I feel day now. See my friends they buy forex now.
Yeah.
I say make I try buy my own.
You go buy
anything that I feel say. I won't come serious put inside. we go be like work for me, I no go do am.
Okay.
It's not enjoyable.
So easy going person.
Yeah.
May just happen.
Make it happen.
Okay.
But they put effort.
Put effort to make sure say deliver, sha.
Yeah.
Okay. So at the end of the day, they put effort on certain things we don't want to talk about right now.
Why you drag me? You know, say that house when I show on at that time.
Yeah.
I get a lot of problem.
From which areas?
A lot of people, like even people who just they look me like saying I don't get money before. Don't they shake me with two hands. Some people will go call me for show. Say I beg if you call your boys to come do this thing. I say my boys, I can do this thing. I'm still doing this.
So they thought they overrate you.
You feel me? Even tax people come.
Yeah, I know. The shall come.
So now, man.
Now why you not post this new one?
I'm not posting. I don't even have nothing. I'm just living life, man. I don't get anything. I have to chop the life on my own.
I see. How the relationship between you and Burna Boy actually been?
Very good.
Any plans to make a record?
We've done records.
Yeah, I know in the past, like at this level right now.
On the high tension.
Tension right now,
It's
yeah.
too busy.
But you be one guy weighing the respect because I think you did part of his success story. Like he don't quote you so many times. They see what you tell her at one point, this and that and the rest.
My guy.
Yeah.
My guy. I've always believed in him. Nothing in they do now where they surprise me.
There's nothing with Burna Boy they do right now. You don't see already.
Nothing. The guy is fearless. There's one time I remember with this studio for Lekki Festival.
Yeah.
Me, him, YJ, and Mommy.
Yeah.
They was saying that there will be a time they'll be paying him to enter jet. Mommy, they say which kind of talk?
I will never enter jet that time.
We never enter jet. But the guy opened doors, say, make there you go. Yes, we see make everybody come up for the studio. I said, calm down now. He said, see, Papa, why they go to talk? See, now what's in the bro? So you see that?
You don't believe yourself right from the beginning. And right now they know they only they pay and he don't even get his share the way the matter they been. I just say they don't they cast and really do. Yeah, they do.
You see for this thing we ain't talk.
Yeah.
My uncle, I don't talk of my podcast. My uncle will pursue me come up for a house 3 times for first tag, Igberi. So the last time when he come pursue me, my former place that time, I been already get house. So as I want come out for there, you know what I talk? I say I never did TV that time. I never did TV that time. Only radio I did that time. You know what I talk? I tell her, I say the only place where say you uncle you will never see me again. The only place you is hear me is on radio, and the only place you see me is on TV and on billboard and on movies. Baba, I not reach 6 months.
Everywhere cast.
Everywhere tear.
So I think the tongue itself, the mouth itself gets so much power.
You don't see when I see logo ma. I don't get a house you.
And that never get house.
Me will not get money to go out. I don't even get transport. Now believe na faith.
And years later, right?
Before I bought my Bentley, I first buy the key holder for Shiloh.
For real?
I swear.
Wait, you just use mind and faith to buy key holder.
I don't even get the money for the Bentley. I just go Shiloh.
I don't be a big.
Okay, yeah, I'll see. Wait, I know. I see
conversation on the street. Now just trying to do me like Sabi Ashawu for you. From studio to studio. What is that? Let me go. Just start.
But I want to share me that story. I want to be motivated. May I stop somewhere? I want to go buy pen. No. I want to.
Yes, he will tell you.
I beg.
He will tell you. But the thing is, whatever you want to buy, buy it before you buy it.
Of course, you first of all your mind.
Yes. If before you R&B come here,
according to my chairman, Mr. Caro, before travel go tour, before you go buy one shoe,
yes,
you go first go look the shoe, look the price, come back check the thing for calculator. Just go stroke. Before you go buy out. So the mind go first prepare.
So
before you go arrive.
Yeah, you buy that key holder because I need to stop there. Right
Shiloh now. I go Shiloh
for
Oyedepo. Yeah, I'm a winner.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I'm not a loser. Okay, I will stop for you. I will tap into Timaya blessing right now.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page, so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.